going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're joined by the crazy wheelie god himself, Austin, and his FZ, which I'm on because I just gotta hear this Black Widow on this Gsx-S, man. So the backfires are unbelievable on it. I'm like dumbfounded with this thing, man. It's crazy how that pipe changed the whole bike again. So the bike's not completely dialed in right now, and that definitely needs to get retuned for, you know, as much air is going through it right now. The AFRs are a little messed up.
From that corner, I don't know if I caught like a bump or whatever, but it was like whoop, and then took off. I don't know if I just broke it loose or if I hit a bump.
Yeah, I seen it. It might have been a bump, like where the road was unlevel and you just happened to hit it there, but thing's crazy, bro.
Yeah, nuts.
Can you feel the difference?
Oh, yeah.
With the power?
Big difference. Like, massive difference. Especially like once you get over like 6,000 RPM, it fucking, it's like, it's alive.
Then you got a shotgun in your ear. When you let off, it's like pow, pow.
For real.
So the bike is not dialed in at all. I mean, it's semi-dialed in because it was tuned before with a slip-on, so it's not that bad as it would be with somebody without one. But it's going to get sent soon to Chris, because I really don't want to be riding it like that a lot without, you know, the correct AFRs and fuel mixture and all that. So I actually bought a filter as well. That's on its way, so I'm just going to say I have one, so it's tuned for it when I get it. But this bike is unbelievable now, man. Like, I thought I knew the bike. I don't. As you can hear the pops and bangs from this obnoxious thing. It's been so long since I rode this MT, I had to get a feel for the clutch and all. Like, it's so much different than the Gsx-S, but maybe we'll get some runs in here soon. I'm looking for a flame, man. I know I'd seen one earlier. I swear I did, but I don't want to say I did without it being proof. But it's so loud of a backfire. It sounds like a shotgun is going off right in your ear. Which I'm not complaining at all. So once that gets dialed in, I think we're pretty much done with the motor mods. I mean, I have full system, slip-on, air filter, and a tune again, so it'll be pretty much dialed in for that. I'll probably never touch the motor again, just because there's really nothing else to do besides you get in to start building it, and I'm really not trying to do that. I seen something come out.
I'm telling you, it's doing something.
Hey! How is this man so clean at doing that? Like, someone tell me how, man. Like, I've seen a lot of people do wheelies. His control is unbelievable. Bro, like... I'm gonna throw this man's Instagram on the screen. Go over and tell this man he's a wheelie god. But get this man a follow. Get him to post more. So I wanted him to get his opinion on it. He seems to love it. It's crazy backfires. If you guys haven't seen the install video and review, I'll put that in the cards. The Black Widow is 100%, 130, 40, 50% worth the money. If you just want to do the head pipe, no slip on, of course it's a little cheaper because you're not buying that can if you already have one, or you can run the stock system. I mean, it's all user, whatever you want. But if you are doing a slip-on with the Black Widow header of your own slip-on, you do have to go get a pipe expander, because I don't recommend doing the muffler cement or the gasket maker, whatever. Do not recommend that at all. So spend $12, go to your nearest Harbor Freight, or order it online. And you get a little expander, you put it in there, you crank it 2-3 times, it makes it a little bit of what you need, and you can use it again. I mean, it's not like you're using a putty where you can only use so much and you'll run out. That thing's either pushing fuel out or it's too light to see the flame. Because I swear to God, that thing's doing something. This thing is so fun. Like, these two compared to each other, it's a world of difference. Like, that thing's just rude and can be real ignorant up high. This thing is just ignorant all the time. If you want to do stock wheelies on that bike, I'm not doing it. No. I am not ready for that. But he said first gear, traction control off, rev it real high, just dump the clutch. The rear wheel bite, and it'll bring you right up. But I'm good on that. I'll pass. It's right there, dude. crazy. This thing is like a gunfire machine, dude. Had a little bit of difficulties with the battery. Story of my life, I swear to God. But a little overview on the day. Austin rode the bike. He loves it, loves the sound of it. Of course, you've seen him popping wheelies. Goat. We went to a lot, tried to learn some wheelies on the ground. But I'm just scared. I'm terrified, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, but I think we're making semi-progress, a little bit at a time. But I appreciate Austin taking time out of his day to help me with that. And we'll be doing it soon, I promise. So I must say, this exhaust, it's a smile machine, man, I swear. Like right now, I could censor myself. Ready? Watch this. You mother... Hey! But if you guys like the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stick around if you're new. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace.